Hello, Odoers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to book property on a rent for a stay. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here module Day Property Rental Management. Here already installed this module. So first go to this app, Rental Management. And here provided this more option. But if you want inquiry related this property, then first need to go website and use this property option and display here all available properties. If you want in specific areas, so select here this location like I want in Ahmedabad. Add here check-in and check-out time like first 2 and check-out time 5. Then add here total guest like 4 and now search this property. So display here all available properties, and if you want to more filter, then use this and apply. I want this property Skyline apartment and display here more pictures related this like bedroom, kitchen, hall, etc. Then use this show all photos and display here this details related these properties like total capacity of 6 guests, provided 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and total square feet. Scroll down, then display more details. And right side section display here total amount, check-in and check-out time, total available for guests, and if you want more services then easily select and add here. Then after total amount display here, write here full name with email and phone number. And if you want just inquiry, then use this send inquiry, and if you want interested in this property, then use this reserve now. It means directly booked here, but I want first just inquiry. Then your request successfully submitted and generated here reference number. Now go to your app like property rental management and go to inquiry. And see here your created inquiry. Now open it and display here contact name with email and mobile number. And booking details in display your property name, arrival date and departure time. Now convert to this opportunity. And I want interested in, so I want to book this, so create booking and display here this your booking is created and attachment. Now open it and display here your booking number, arrival date with departure date, check-in check-out time, property name, tenant name with email, mobile number, and booked by admin, booking date. Now I want to add more services, so select here like daily breakfast and also house cleaning. So let's save and display here total property charges and final total amount. Then after do confirm this, and when you confirm this booking, then send mail to this customer like a hello admin and your property confirmed with this date, and also display here booking summary with total amount and due amount, and also created here folio. Just it's the one type of confirmation your booking property, so you can easily now confirm and also create for this invoice. So first need to add here now create invoice and now pay this. Now done this folio. Again go to this book property and now create for this side order. So display here your total Skyline apartment is a property and total two services added: daily breakfast and house cleaning. So now confirm this and create invoice for this. Do confirm and pay total amount. So also linked or display here invoice 1 and booking number 1. Now go to orders and created orders for admin display here. Then after your booked property, Skyline apartment is display here. Now created folio display here. Next is the reviews. Reviews means feedback or rating by a guest, their safety. So display here in this section reviews. Now review moderation in display. One is the approved state and another is a flagged. So moderation means checking and approving reviews before they are shown publicly. So it's display on moderation section. And third one is a flagged review. It's as a needing attention for this any property. And then after all created contact display here, all owner available and all tenant available. Now all payment display here in this payment section. Also provided here reporting section. You can see here with check-in and check-out time. Now next is the property booking history. So I want to see here for 1st May to 30 June how many Skyline apartment for provided here to option in a PDF and Excel format. So I want to print in first PDF format. And easily display here only one booked available for admin tenant, booking date with arrival and departure date, total amount with status, and also use for Excel format. And after provided this property performance, so display here property wise like total revenue of these properties, total booked property with average rate and counting number. Also see here this property name, by graph view and list view. Go to properties and open in this Skyline apartment is the display here property name, property type, construct and year. And below provided more details related to this property like a property details information, brochure, total attachment document, available images for hall, kitchen, bath, bedroom, etc. Provided more services like daily breakfast, house cleaning, laundry service. Provided here area measurement, total amenities, nearby connectivities and gate review for this property. Now go to booking dashboard and display here all booked property as in pink color. So Skyline apartment booked 27 to 31st and this heritage bungalows also booked this date. And also display in a table. If you want to see in a specific, then use this view button and easily see here. Above provided this filter. If you want to see any specific property, then use this. Like I want to see only Skyline apartment for this, only garden villa, then easily select or use this filter. and also provided here year filter. And if you want to print this dashboard, then use this print button. Now go to analysis dashboard and display here total revenue versus last to current month, total active booking, total occupy rate based on last period with current, and overall rating for these properties, and revenue trending display based on this month, total booking status display here, total occupied property, average rating by this property for available, and top properties display with this amount, total booking counting number, and total recent booking display here with status, with date and property name, and also display here recent review for this property. If you want to view more details or all, then use this view all option. Now go to website, go to your account and display here this menu booking. Now open it. Provided here a filter like a sort by number and booking date. Also provided here filter this week, year, yesterday. You can use this group by owner and status, and easily search here by specific number or status. Now open and run. Then display here booking number with red stay confirmed, total amount, and if you want directly add here extra service, then easily use. So using this our app, you can easily book rented property for stay. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.